In this video, we'll have a look at how we can set up forwarding of emails from Outlook to Parser. So the objective here is to forward the new lead alerts to Parser so we can parse the data from within that lead alert message and send it over to the marketing tool. So the first thing we need to do here is grab the Parser email address. So when you sign into Parser, you will see your inbox here and the address at the top. So we just click on copy, you'll get a confirmation. So here's a sample. I pulled up the sample email just to show you that I have a unique identifier for each of these messages, which is the Sashup's new lead, which I can use to filter out these messages and then forward them to Parser. So let's begin setting up the rule. So what we do here is go to File, Manage Rules and Alerts. Make sure you have the right inbox selected if you have multiple. Click on New Rule. Apply rule on messages I receive. Click Next. So here what we're doing is we're looking for email messages with specific words in the subject. So I select this from here, from step 1, and under step 2 I click on specific words and I simply type them in here, or the best way to do it would be to copy and paste from the subject line to avoid any typos. So you click OK, Next. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to forward the email to people or public group. So I select this here, and on people and public group in step 2 I click on the button to add a rule address. So here's where we're going to, in the To section, we're going to paste in the Parser email address and click OK. So you click Next. Now this is really important that we should have an exception to avoid sending any email messages that should not be sent over. So for the exceptions, what we can do is you might be replying back to your data provider and you don't want the emails that you reply back or maybe forward to get forwarded over to Parser. So what we can do here is accept if the subject contains specific words. So we click on specific words under step 2 and define those words. So that would be re. So whenever you reply back to an email, it includes the re, and when you forward it, that would be FW. So this is just as a safety net to avoid any emails getting forwarded that you reply back to the data provider. So you click Next and make sure you check Run this rule now on messages already in inbox if you have messages that meet the rule, and you can click on the Turn on this rule will already be checked. So you go ahead and click on Finish. So once you do that, you'll see that Outlook is now running the rule that we just created, and your messages should start getting forwarded to the Parser email address. So that's a confirmation. Make sure you click on Apply and OK. So within a few minutes, you should see the emails coming into your parser inbox. Thank you for watching.